Hello everyone, it's me Rosie. Thank you for choosing my video out of thousands of videos out there. So we all know that Valkyrie loves ramen and even enchiladas. But what kind of dish could we make for her to truly wow her? We asked the writers and they said she's got a huge appetite for almost everything. It sounds like she's a bit of a foodie, so we wanted to try and take a bit of a twist on your typical ramen and create a refreshing udon curry beef recipe. We think Valkyrie would love it, and maybe you'd like to try it too.
I'm starving. Is anyone else starving?
Here are the ingredients you need for both the marinade and the sauce. You can pause it at any time. Once you have prepared all of your ingredients, you would want to start by marinating your beef. We used 250 grams of beef for this recipe. Slide your beef and then add 1 teaspoon curry powder, a splash of sesame oil, 1 minced shallot, 4 minced garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon soy sauce and 1 teaspoon chili flakes. Let it marinate for 30 minutes in the fridge. Next, we need to boil some water, and when it's done, add in the udon noodles. We've used the packaged udon noodles and they take just 3 minutes in boiling water to cook. Once they are cooked, take them out and put them in cold water to stop the cooking process, then drain them and put them to the side. Now it's time to make the sauce. Add 6 minced garlic cloves into a pan along with a splash of oil and then fry the garlic until fragrant. Add the sliced onions and carrots and fry them too for a few minutes. After that, we can add 40 ml of milk and 10 grams of curry powder. Mix in it and then add 1 teaspoon of chicken stock powder and keep mixing. Milk is additional, so if you are allergic to lactose, you can just use water. After cooking for 2 more minutes, add 2 teaspoons of chili sauce, a splash of water, and 2 teaspoons of maple syrup. You can skip these steps if you don't have them at home, but it really adds more flavor to the noodles. At this point, you can mix it and taste it. We found it didn't quite have as much flavor as we wanted, so we added 2 more teaspoons of chicken stock powder, and then we started to stir fry the beef. Keep stirring until the beef is cooked, and then finally add the shredded cabbage and udon noodles. We also added 2 teaspoons of chili flakes at this stage. Make sure to mix everything well so that the udon is completely covered in sauce. A meal for 2 that you can share with your friend, partner, or anybody else. And if we would change anything, we'd probably try to improve the spice and flavor profile a bit. But it's not a bad light lunch because it's not salty or overbearing. Thank you for watching, and you can leave a comment telling me which food that you want me to make or have a guide for you. Thank you for always supporting me and my husband channel. We really appreciate that. Have a good day and stay safe. We love you all as always. Thank you.